Hello everyone, in this video we are going to show you how we did a Christmas photo shoot with our cat to send postcards to our family and friends.
So let's start with the things that we needed for this photo shoot. The first one is choose the location. We wanted to recreate those cozy winter vibes of Christmas in Europe, and therefore we chosen the coziest corner in our living room, which is this one. Also, something important is the availability of light, because we're not using any fancy lights. So something that will be close to a window and exposed to a lot of natural light will be ideal, and fortunately this corner is that in our living room. So the next thing is decoration, and in this case, because it's a Christmas shoot, it's something that you may already have from your earlier press Christmas, and for this we just put out our very minimal Christmas tree. And as this is a photo shoot with your pet, you're gonna need a pet. And maybe a treat to coerce him. And while Fred is getting mentally ready for the shoot, we thought to use some of his seasonal outfits. First challenge is to put it on, like his Santa outfit. Well, this wasn't that bad, right, Frederick? You look so beautiful. You look so beautiful, yo 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 yo. Okay. Now, the little Santa hat. He's gonna hate us for this.
He's already not really happy with,
Yeah.
with the situation.
It's okay. You can have this when this is all over, okay? I mean, I think a little bribe, it's necessary if your cat needs it, or your dog. Right? It's your favorite, tuna and salmon. Right? Mm. And now it's time to shoot. So Frederick was not really in the mood to take some photos, so we decided to give him a break. So it's very important that you're patient with your pet. So instead of forcing him, just let him come around and maybe try to make it a fun activity for him as well, like play with him, bring his toys, and it will be better for him and for you because you're both having fun. In order to make your cat pose in a certain location or to look at your camera in a certain way is to lure him with some of his toys. We use his favorite toy, which is this star, and we also use the laser that's somewhere around the living room to make him go to the place where we wanted, or to make him look at us. Alternatively, you can also let him chew the Christmas decorations. It also works. So a cool tip for these kinds of photos is that you can use some props in the foreground to add some visual interest. So for instance, we use this Christmas tree that has some little fairy lights in the front of the photo in the foreground that at the shallow depth of field add this unique flair to the photos, which was really Christmassy. Frederick! So let us know which photo we should send to our friends and family for Christmas. We're also going to put some of these photos in the stock photography website, so if you're curious whether we can make Frederick finally pay for rent, so please subscribe.
Hit the thumbs up button and see you next week.
Cheers. Time for our family photo. Da cá, fitiquinho. Ia com caralho. Ai, ia com caralho, só pelos.
Mais pequeno. Vai, Niquinho, vai
Oh, Frederick.
beijar.